Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to connect the floor sensor. So the floor sensor connects to terminals C and D on the NUHEAT Signature, NUHEAT Home, and NUHEAT Element thermostat. So the electrician here is going to run the sensor wire through the back of the thermostat, through one of the holes, and connect it to the sensor terminals. So there's no polarity, so it doesn't matter which wire goes into which C and D terminal, as long as both are securely connected. It's a good idea after you screw it in to make sure that you give it a little tug to make sure that it actually traps the wire inside the terminal, which we can see, right? Just leave it there. See right there.